Nice, nice, nice. I one thing that the man know say, see? You're not, no, I know that. You're not TPing bicycle, no? I hear me, you know.
Yes.
May I try to figure out the mechanic.
So, I see me see a scene just now, I say, I want to film that. Yeah. I'm reach and look for the camera and there.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You think of food? Eh? Come here.
Morning. Good morning, Tony.
I woke up at Westmoreland this morning. The day 4 in Jamaica. Go watch the road a little bit. Puss doodle out there up on the ground. So make sure I'm not tapping on the night. Sight and sounds of Jamaica. Sight and sounds of Jamaica.
A 3 floor, I will lower. I told you 3 floor. What floor? I make it floor. Can I be there for you?
Eh?
I do one thing.
Eh?
Let me a year I am.
Eh?
Let me let me start. So I'm going to make some money. Start life. Let me start life. And then I go a year and me start.
You have to resurrect it again. You can't put it back up again.
Raphael Bob besides zinc. Can I see zinc?
But no easy thing that.
I'm there one little outer part like and it blow up.
But no easy thing that.
Yeah, you want to repair. Where are you selling one place one? Orange, banana.
May I tell Song says she can?
Yeah, master. But sitting there get dear Shakira. Can't buy them again. One banana and just feel like what? You know, they're plenty and selling that juice now. Like, I have to get cup, straw, blender. I have to use electricity. And then we want a cup of juice, maybe have 5 bills and something.
Yeah.
350 that be the cheapest. So everything change up. And the people them are selling soon. I have to buy that. I can't go that special. I have to go buy it. I have to buy a little, do you want a little wine in it? You have to go buy some little topping. You have to go buy peanut butter if you want to do a medley them. I have money to go take some.
Just feed juice?
Yeah, I have to do a juice them.
You blend up?
Can you taste nice and I go want to have oats too.
Uh-huh.
You want oats, you want a little spirit, you want a little rum, and you want
Me talk about just raw juice, like they,
yeah, kind of natural.
But them all want
juice. So some people love a little rum.
yeah, they sit in the night. Yeah, yeah,
man want a shot in the engine. You can do cucumber, carrot, beetroot, but you know some people want a little spruce up. Yeah. It's a very little spirit and that's
that can work, man. Outer road busy, you know. I tell Sonny says she fi open up our shop. This right there, so our mother shop is a cook shop. For our fruits and vegetables.
They sold some chickens. The other day I saw chickens at another house. Chicken?
Oh.
Mom's flapping his wings. He's trying to fly up the sky. What the freaking hell? Oh, Mommy, that chick just went out here. Mommy, that chicken almost went flying out here.
No, don't scare him. That's the one that wake everybody up in the morning. When he go. That's him. You hear others? You hear that? Yeah. That's them. They're the only ones that can make that sound. So you don't scare them.
Where's that chicken? Let's go take a picture.
You wouldn't like if somebody scare you, right?
But the cat's following Mommy. Now all the chickens are going back. Now this little chicken is hopping back.
That one's hopping.
What happened to his other foot?
Something wrong with his foot.
Come here! What are they doing under my dad's car?
Gonna keep warm.
Why am I daddy in my dad's car?
I'm gonna keep warm.
If that dad drives out the castle.
No, nothing gonna do him. He's gonna move. Ginger gone up in our house.
Ginger!
Yeah, hurry up, mommy, yes, come back there, here. You better. Shakira,
Yes.
come put in me earring here for me.
Better no. Okay.
Happy night.
As much as Mr. Me couldn't, me wouldn't
Why?
have my
Come
next party.
in video. Come in video. You get out hand now. Come in video. Brother, come in video.
Hey, I put on clothes.
Come in video. One run on video. One run. I come in lick you. One run. Brother.
I have one each.
Pop,
Yes,
where you at?
over here.
Over here? You're in Jamaica.
Yes, I know.
in the grill. Right?
Right. You got it. Here's the grab.
Yeah.
Right? This is the first we've ever seen out here this jam-packed.
Yo.
It's T-minus 124 hours until Freedom Street, and out here is
Bumper to bumper traffic, man.
bumper to bumper traffic like we did in Miami.
This is bumper. This is Memorial Day weekend in Miami. It's
Yes.
bumper to bumper traffic out here.
Alright, so just a try to get from out of the Cambush stand. We're heading to Westmoreland.
Mommy, why would we head to Westmoreland?
Because that's where we're going.
For what?
Auntie Cutie them.
We have to go to see Auntie Cutie.
And you said you want to go swimming,
And
right?
you said you wanted to go to the beach. So that's where the beach is
She's
at.
tushing at the bush. She too pretty to run.
She must have, they act like she can't grease car wheel, my dear.
So
You're going to be making a left, babe.
A left?
Yeah.
Alright, so party I keep. One white woman come and complain, see? And she want music turned down and she not like what I want and all that. And based on her complaint, me say police come, me say manager of the hotel come. We're gonna talk about this though. We are left now though, so what for them? Our music are playing man from early, you know. Yeah, we're going here. Mana's here. Alright, so. Fortunate to have you here.
Papa.
Why you guys are gonna drop us off? Drop who off?
I was trying to catch some eye candy for y'all, but
y'all
should move too fast. Anyhow, only eye candy there. Few man them too. Shakira look till she full. But anyhow, we're about to get on the road right now. We have blood on for.
Oh, potty. Or we can try Burger King. Yeah, you see one?
No, we're not doing any of that. We're going to go eat Auntie Cutie food.
Well, yeah.
And that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Mommy, are you guys gonna come too?
Come where?
The Auntie Jamaican still.
Yep.
Man, I have to talk about this.
Before you forgot.
Yeah, before I forget, this is just to remind me to expound upon this. Okay, we're at Chance's Negril Restaurant and Club. Nice hangout spot, beautiful ambiance. I mean, whoever has this, if they run it the right way,
We have a diamond.
this is a buku money maker. Okay, but me have to talk about this because this is not the first time that I came here and ran into white people who obviously are not Jamaican, who are super bothered by Jamaican people or even black people being here. And it's weird. It's weird because you're going to a predominantly black country, right? And you want to act like you own the place. You want to act like this is your, and everybody should do what you say and make stuff happen. I understand you spent a lot of money because shit's expensive here, especially to stay beachfront. Stuff's really expensive here, but you don't own anybody here. But I'll expound upon this some more. White folks going to, let's keep it simple. White folks coming to Jamaica
So
and making Jamaicans feel comfortable or uncomfortable, rather. We're gonna talk. All right, I'm go up on the road right now, drive a little bit, and go eat some food and relax myself and these things. All right, I'm out. I've been talking for a minute and my mic wasn't even like, oh my god. This is Negril, Jamaica.
And nothing happens here.
And Kai said that nothing happens here. Well, go on your papa, just go around your lane. Well, he popping here.
No, don't you so? Don't you so? A tourist attraction.
What's the jungle?
The jungle.
Our zoo?
Our club.
Our club?
Yes. Yes.
But they have one big old tiger up there.
The theme of the club
is the jungle.
Yes.
So in there you get wild.
Yes, we do.
Get mad for me now. Wild for me now. Jungle like Terrasclat. Loot. Give me go in there. That might be my speed. So if you've never been to Negril, Jamaica, this is what it's like, okay? It's very nice. It's very laid back. It's a lot of tourist women around here looking for buddy. And this is Jamaica, so they'll definitely get it.
So.
And your mic is not on still. And your patch is not on still.
Girl. Nobody with it.
That looks nice right there. Dolce Vita, me dear.
Jamaica nice man. People just need to come enjoy themselves and just left out them frigger which part they come from. You know? It ain't. This is not your country. We didn't ask you to come here and change anything. We ask you to come here and enjoy how we are.
Enjoy the culture.
Enjoy the culture. Don't come here and try to manipulate the fucking culture and try to
dictate how the culture is supposed to
how it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, them colonizer, you see, man.
That lady literally went to complain about the music. Then call police for the people there.
Management come.
Management
Bigger
come.
Management come. Then people just start come and serve them drinks and food and everything. But
everything.
it's like they were trying to make up for it. You know what they probably said? babe, then probably say, we're gonna find somewhere else to go. You know?
Yeah, we came here for peace and quiet and vacation.
Oh shit, they're building a mega hospital in the middle of Ocho Rios?
In the middle of Negril.
Negril. Clarendon, me come from, see up there, so I said Negril.
Negril Bleach Club.
Yeah, the Grill Bleach Club.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
That's super good.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's
An emergency, a whole hospital.
Because me used to tell BM say anyhow.
The hospital, they look high class though.
Yes,
The
very
Grill
high class. It look like
Jamaica
a tourist them.
Here are the Jamaican police officers,
They're on duty
all
today.
bunched up in one place.
Running
They're
their
know?
mouths, darling.
You can fire one shot and kill 5 at once.
Jamaica jail.
Oh my God.
Oh, one big accident happened over there.
All right, let me take that back. The Jamaican police officers are out here doing their work. Some people don't like to see them. No, I found and joke me that make some people don't like to see them out and do their work, but me love see them out and do their work because
This has been how many checkpoints of police?
man, I lost count now.
Yeah, we have seen so many.
I lost count now, but oh babe, they came up after us, right? 2 van load of ninjas. Be a boy up on the back of that.
Alright, so
They arrested quite a few of them. I would say each van had like 10. Bunch up in the space can't hold. And they had 2 van loads of them. So I don't know what they found on them, why they took them from there. But the Jamaican police are out here. They're actually not just in one place. So people can't be like, oh, they're only in tourist areas. No, they're everywhere on the island. They're very active. And them are set up some roadblock that you can't really go through. So you got to take your check.
if you get checked and you get messed up and have nothing, you get knocked.
That's it. You ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, go van back and go jail.
Yeah. So shout out to the Jamaica Constabulary Force once again. Every time me there, I feel super safe when I see them. Because I'm a gunman myself. I mean, I have my rifle for me. And I don't have, I'm not out there shooty up the place. So that's their job. And at least I know they're here doing it.
That's Negril bus part.
Nobody no like police till they need one. That part.
That part is right.
Yeah. I have my gripe with them sometime and I say what my gripe is, but at the end of the day, what would it
got to get done.
Yeah, what would it be if there were none of them around? Dog, nyam your supper, you stay there. I which side you have like, babe, let me show you one angle. Turn your camera a little bit. No.
Right?
Yeah. Turn, yeah, so. Even more sideways. Decrease your zoom.
Why is zooming up so low?
Watch your footage there when you go home. No, you have too much zoom pan it, man.
No, babe, that's my camera stay. It can't zoom out any further.
Your camera inquisitive, no blood. Up in people, them sitting like a CIA, FBI. Chill.
Alright, so I like that they're putting a hospital in Negril, because the only hospital in the parish of Westmoreland is Sav. And I normally say if anything happened to you and you got Sav, just know you're dead.
Just know you're dead.
Just know you're dead. If I nothing critical and you need immediate just know so you're dying. They don't have the equipment, they don't have the manpower, they don't have the I'm not gonna say they don't have the knowledge. I don't think they have the support system.
I feel like at time Jamaica tourism board start paying me,
Yeah, so
yeah, I feel that type of way. I feel like at time they start paying me because not even them can promote Jamaica like me, Negril Estate.
but yeah, I'm glad to they put one hospital in Negril. I feel like it's going to be a better look, even though you probably have to pay more money and it's more high-sidity and it's more geared towards towards tourism
and foreigners.
And stuff. Yeah,
you can tell.
You can say, okay, me I'm a foreigner, but I'm gonna spend the extra money to get the better care.
Well, I'll tell you the truth too. We don't like to be called foreigners, but that's exactly what you are. you might have been born out here and you were raised out here partially and stuff, but for all the people that were left here from here, like picnic and teenager and all that, and you only come back on vacation a week here, a month there, another week there, you're a foreigner actually, right? So as much as you want to say, yeah, me a Jamaican, nobody can call me foreigner, which I say too, at the end of the day, you're not going to the regular Jamaican hospital if nothing happened to you.
Yes.
Most of you're going to be looking for them private doctors or private hospital to go to because you don't want to be subjected to what the average Jamaican is subjected to in a public hospital around here. And that's just the truth. That's just the truth. So, yeah, it's a good look. And I mean, come on now, that's a tourist haven. Why wouldn't you have a hospital there that is of that caliber?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Between that and the airport that they say they're going to be building, if they actually
Jesus
get that
Christ,
done,
if they actually build that, they said they already planned
it out.
Yeah, and have the land marked out and everything.
If they do that, if that combination, nobody not gonna have place for whole people on the grill. Because they can bypass Montego Bay. Because I feel like Montego Bay are just for single adults. And
I've heard people say that if you're a single adult or even with your friends, it's for adult entertainment. Montego Bay is
adult entertainment.
And the grill is more like family
oriented
vacation
toward family and people with their kids and stuff.
Yeah.
Mommy,
makes sense.
I can't hear my tablet.
You can't hear it, mommy? Okay.
Jamaica pretty in a man, can't done in a man.
Very pretty. I remember when I was a kid and we used to come weddings over here, so it used to be the best thing ever. Cause they used to cater food and you used to sit outside. It was just a different type of experience. Over there, so and it pretty. When they take the picture them at the wedding, them and the same thing them over there, so and you can actually see the beach. So they normally take the wedding picture them at the back where you can see like the cusp of the beach. So good. And the people that cook the food over there used to go down, they used to make the 4 and 3 tier cake. Yeah. Can you hear it, mommy? Huh? Can you hear it?
Flavors restaurant and nobody there.
Because the restaurant.
Flavors?
She knows she keep dance January 11th or 12th or something like that. I just see Anthony post it.
She keep dancing there, y'all left. So, you know, your day not keep on a call Auntie Cutie, say?
Yeah, then they call Auntie Cutie, say, Mommy send something for her.
Yeah. So, Auntie Cutie say, they not come down, come get it.
She go send Amira with it. Send, go. Are you hearing it, Malani? Here.
No, I can't.
Pass me the headphones. You see that Abby done? That's not. Here, mommy.
Can you hear it?
Yes, I can. This is Sheffield.
I can hear it.
Just so be a member.
This is Sheffield. I'm sure here people that come from right up on that road
Right
there.
up here, so.
I'm not sure the people that come from like that. Because I forgot hide out now, nobody know if you find it. Remember I show you road around Sheffield and say up there so they come from.
So around here is a spring field. It's like a beautiful spring. They don't get so. I have one side for bathe and one side people wash clothes and take water from a house at the city. But that spring water they cold like ice. Like Alaska.
Turn down the AC a little bit, Jesus Christ. Whew. Yo, I swear, this place has the most beautiful boardhouses I've ever seen. Me I say boy house with grill pan them and everything.
Yep.
No, I want to know.
So. That's dope. Upgrade the wall there. That's dope.
Video there. Video that's sitting there Jamaica, Murrayville.
What?
The road.
The road.
Yeah, no more get out and walk on it and actually
show the patrol.
Show. I don't think it does justice when we drive by. Yeah.
And you can show the big bus stop where you say this is what your tax dollars does. That will soak it in even better.
The disrespect.
I pass disrespect.
I'm going to drink some. But I slept me definitely. I go to bed early. Every time I get auntie get to me go to bed early.
I feel like some fish.
You feel like a fish?
No, she feel like trying to eat some fish.
I think your auntie Kitty is frying fish. Yeah, it's got fish. No?
He look like him from there, so though,
yes,
but not from. I see him up close from the side. And the road get quiet. And then the corner there. Oh, they're full up there. Full of pothole there. Cement, somebody cement them in. Those will stay for a while.
They will see one next one.
They're cementing them pothole there. Where them boy fly upon them bike there. I can't imagine they call a pothole. You gotta know the roads around here to do like that. To ride like that on the road there. Boy, you with that if you don't know the road.
Yeah.
So riding at them speed there and you look a big pothole.
Yep. I wonder if you did. Right, just on name Negro Spot.
Negro Spot. We're going out there, so.
Nothing that going on there, so you can. That's a shortcut from Little London to Negro. That's a back road. We drove it before when we did the West End. Yeah, you can drive there, so cut out all of Sheffield and go there. So when they block off Sheffield Road. Like if they no water no there Sheffield or JPS mess up their light and they block the road. If you don't know about Negro Spot you can't pass. That's how or come out of Westmoreland period.
It's like a shortcut then. But you have to know about it.
You have to know about it if you go there so.
Okay.
Because the road them weird, the back there. a sporting complex. They used to have whole heap of dance, cricket match, football match, and all sorts of things. So, and none of that not happening anymore. They don't maintain the property in here.
Right, so.
Out there so they get licked down with cow. The cow they normally over here, so.
Quite a few people lost their lives recently to that, you know.
And I ride out there, so.
Can you imagine the speed, then the tear come through it. And slap a cow.
Yep. And the good thing is that nobody not own the cow there. When they lick people or walking on people over there. So.
Don't know where that cow they come from.
No, they don't have no own and but yeah, so they cow there. And I'm like, mommy, she look like she run we go out the road.
You know, I'm gonna take you by the corner, bro. Can't see. Girls have to look sexy. Sure. Legs a lot.
So, whatever they have to show me there. Leg, body.
Everything.
Anything.
Make it happen. Dog, the first car ready for dead.
How much?
Frisky then. Instagram block me for 2 weeks because me call one dog one bitch.
Oh my god.
It was a female dog. And the female dog was, somebody recorded the female dog being with many different male dogs, and I said, well, the bitch doing what the bitch. So fucking you, Instagram blocked me, yo. This goes against our community guidelines.
Instagram don't like it, me can't.
Sit down. If I call a human a bitch, they wouldn't block me. But me call the dog appropriately. You know, say appropriately, that's the name of a female dog, right? The appropriate name for a female dog is a bitch. That's why it's disrespectful when you use it towards humans. But it look like they not even want we use it towards a dog now.
So.
I'm going like a dog, them a human. Call them by their names. Sharka, Jocelyn, Mass Roy's Pitbull Jocelyn.
Alright, so.
Don't you dare say bitch.
Out here, so Jam rest there, right out there, so in that
Jam West Speedway.
right there.
Up that road.
Yep. We call up as a Mango Hall, me there.
Mango Hall?
Yep. And this road is called Station Road, our #1 road.
On camera. They get frustrated as fuck. They have him out upon traffic duty in Bex. I think so that him did there though. Like stop the traffic so call back up. I think so did there stop the traffic so traffic can cross. So in the back up two-way like this.
Because no intersection light no did so. Me think of that thing do.
That is what he's doing, but he's slow. He stopped everybody, nobody was going any side. Who he turn around and tell for go on? No, me.
Not a soul.
I mean turn around and tell for go on because it was me who was supposed to go. He don't do a damn thing else. No. If I drive around, I'm not good people. People are foreign and talk about how they live good and nice in Jamaica and they in America and all this stuff. Check this out, right? And by standards, I think this would be regular. But I'm just show you some exclusive way to live. Look at this driveway. This is a main street, but the house goes up there to the hill, like way up this one. Alright, we don't want to video the people in house, but if you could just vision like from the house, this is the road, right? If you can vision from the house, down a road. See the view, yeah. That's the view. Well, we'll go by the next side. Hi, Munch. You okay, Mommy?
Yeah.
You just pretty?
I want to get out the car.
Oh, no, not right here.
Why?
Because we're about to drive off. Too close to the road.